Oh, goodness.
Jillian, should I take a picture of you?
Yeah.
What, can you say martini?
Martini.
Say pickles and ice cream.
Pickle ice cream.
Say peanut butter and macaroni.
Pizza and morgan.
Say macaroni.
Macaroni.
Say bananas and fudge.
Nut.
Can you say Froggy movie?
Froggy
Say Jillian Renee Walton.
movie. Walton.
Say, can you count?
My couch.
No, not the couch. Can you count? Go 1.
How many fingers do I have?
1, 2.
How many more? Oh, no you don't. Jillian, say,
3.
oh, what are you drinking? Hey, Jillian, can you put the cup down?
Alfred. What the?
Hey, Jillian, can you say touchdown?
Touchdown.
Jilly, say, go Packers. Say, go Packers.
Good girl.
Up on my face.
No.
Oh, sweetie.
Jilly,
I did it.
Say, go Redskin.
I like this.
Good girl. Good girl.
you say, go Vikings. Jilly, can you say, better luck next year, Redskins?
I like it.
Yeah. And you wash your hands?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. You washing your hands? Gentle. Gentle.
What did you do? Can you say, touchdown?
You.
Ew.